Rakesh Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10th NCERT, Chapter 4 Quadratic Equation. In this you are getting the question based on quadratic formula. One example I am taking here which is given in NCERT also. So you are getting 2x square plus x minus 528 solve for x. It is a statement question, equation I am giving you. So 2x square plus x minus 528. Simply you solve it. What is the A? 2. What is the B? 1. And what is the C? Minus 528. Find out the discriminant D. What is the formula? D is equal to B square minus 4AC. 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 528. So you will get 4 to the 8. Simply you will find out the discriminant. What is the discriminant? 4 to so 1 plus 5 to 2 4. 8 8 is 64, 8 2 is 16 and 6 22, 8 5 is 4. So here you will get 4 2 2 4. So you add it, you are getting 4 2 2 5. It is greater than 0. It means it has two real roots. Because D is greater than 0, so it has two real roots. Now, so the roots, what is the discriminant formula? Roots is equal to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC upon 2A. Put the values here. What is the minus B? Minus B, B is 1 plus minus under root 4. No need to write again this. Direct you write 4 2 2 5 upon, because you have calculated one time and it is 2. One time you have calculated, so no need to write this. 4 2 2 5 direct you will write down, and then you are getting minus 1 plus minus. It will, you can, if you don't know, you can root solve, find it by the square root method like this. 6 6 is 36, you know. I hope you know. 25, 5 5 is 25, 6 25 you are getting. So what is the square root? By this method you find out if you don't know. Upon 4. But here 2 plus minus given, so you can't get roots, that is called. So it is a x, therefore x is equal to, means alpha is equal to minus 1 plus 65 by 4. What are you getting? 64 by 4. So you will get 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4, 16 4 is 64. You are getting 16. Beta is equal to minus 1 minus 65 by 4. You are getting minus 66 by 4, which is minus 33 by 2. So you are getting the two answers. One is this, one is this. If it is a statement question, so anyone will be rejected. This will be rejected because of negative length and breadth is not possible. But here is the only question is given. So your answer is two answers you are getting. These two are the zeros of this equation. So easily you can get it. Another, find the two consecutive positive integers. Next question, next example. Find the two consecutive positive integer. Of your book it is given example number 11. Whose square is, whose sum of the square is 290. It is example number 11 is given. Example 11 of your book is given. Let first be x, then second consecutive will be x plus 1. So according to the problem, what are you getting? First square plus second square gives you how much? 290. Simply you will get 290 and then solve it. What is x? X square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 290 is equal to 0. You are getting 2x square plus 2x minus 289 is equal to 0. Easily you are getting 280. Here what is 2 to the 4? Integer is given, sum of whose square is 2 odd positive. What is given? Odd positive. Odd positive means difference is 2. Odd positive, consecutive odd. Odd or even, there is a difference. So you will write here 2, not 1. So 2 consecutive numbers, x square plus x plus 2. So here 4 will be subtracted. You are getting 86. So 2 to the a square plus 2 to the 4x. 4x you will get. So x square plus 2x minus 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. You are getting x square plus 2x minus 143. Odd integer is given in the book. You can solve this also. Let first one is x, second odd consecutive will be x plus 2, like 3, 5, 7, 9. 2 is difference between 2, so 2 you will add. It is even given also, you will add the 2. So solve it. What is A? 1. What is B? 2. What is C? Minus 1, 4, 3. So what is the discriminant? We will calculate the discriminant. B square minus 4AC. 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1, 4, 3. You are getting 4 minus 572. Minus minus plus. So it is 576, which is greater than 0. 576 is greater than 0. You are getting, it has B is greater than 0. It has 2 distinct real roots. Distinct real roots. Sometimes you will get a question based on only discriminant. Find discriminant. Find the nature of the roots. So therefore roots is equal to, formula you write down, minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Put the values. What is b given at the top? I have written b is 2. Minus 2 plus minus under root d direct 576 upon 2 into 1. Don't put the again value and solve it. Your time already you have calculated here. So same value you write down at this place. And you will get, it is a 24 square, 576. So therefore roots means x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 24. 24 by 2. So alpha is equal to minus 2 plus 24 by 2. What are you getting? 22 by 2, 11. Beta is equal to minus 2 minus 24 by 2. That is minus 26 by 2 minus 13. So it will be reject. Why reject? One answer I will reject because negative. Your question is find the two positive odd integer. Positive is 1. Therefore first is equal to x is equal to 11. Second is equal to x plus 2. 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. 13 is there, but 113 negative you are getting. So it is your answer, 11 and 13. So there is a two answers you are getting. One is 11 and one is 13. So by this equation, very easy part you are getting. So minus 13 you reject. You see? So minus 13 you will reject, and 11 and 14. That's all for today, and we will see in the next. Thanks.